everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with a little tiny haul. I've been after this bit of equipment for a while and it's not been that easy to get hold of, and I have to say the two companies that did eventually get back to me to say they was in stock, one was Bumbleberries, I think that's how you pronounce it, and they're both the same price, and the other one was Sir Stamp-A-Lot. And Sir Stamp-A-Lot was better just because they offered free shipping with £30 or more, but Bumbleberries you have to spend £60, so it wasn't a quick turnover, but it was literally like 3 to 4 days from me ordering it to receiving it, so it isn't like a massive difference, whereas Bumbleberries can be the next day or the day after depending on what time you order. But enough of that waffle, let's dive in and you can see what I got. We've got the glue press, as you can see, and we've got a little card saying "for my friend," and then a little thank you there. How sweet is that? I thought it was really cute. So thank you, Sir Stamp-A-Lot. Now the reason I purchased this is because I'm really struggling with my wrist, and I'm hoping this is going to relieve that. I don't know if it's from doing my nails or the crafting, but I'm constantly using this wrist and really struggling now. So when I seen this, I thought, right, I'm going to give this a try and hopefully this will help, because as I'm sure you all know, the glue bottles can be quite hard, and from my previous hauls you've seen I bought several solutions and none have really worked that well for me. We've just got a user guide here, so I don't think we need that because I have seen quite a few videos. We've got an elastic band here, and I'm guessing that's just to keep it safe. And we've also got a Nuvo glue which comes in this, and you just push that out. I guess I'm going to have to take that off though to put it in, and they've also give you an empty bottle as well. I was kind of hoping my other glue would fit in because this is the one I've been using, but I'm thinking this is going to be too big, and it is, so I will have to decant this one. And this has got a precision tip on it as well, and I must admit, from all the solutions I've bought, this has been the best one and the best glue to use, but it's still a struggle, especially as it gets near the end. So just pop that back in, and you've got to really make sure it's pressed. And then you've got this stand here, so you'll put your lid here to protect that pin, and then you can, I don't know if you can see, there's like a little pink like silicone dot thing in there, and you must make sure that sits in, and I'll see if I can get it on the camera there, so I don't know if it'll focus or not, but it has to hit this cushion as such, and that stops it from blocking up. That just doesn't work. Oh right, you've really got to push that on. That is really secure now, so that's really good. So let me get a piece of scrap paper and we can have a look at how well it comes out. I'm going to use a scrap piece of paper. I'm just going to use the envelope it come in. So you just get it and then you can just squeeze it, and that is so much easier. I could even probably write my name. There we go. It is, I can't believe how easy that is. You've really got to put very little pressure on, and I'm surmising if I put more pressure on I would get a thicker line, which you do. But it's still a very, very thin line, and then that just goes directly onto there again, and it won't clog up. So that's going to be so much easier when I'm making my mini albums and stuff, that I don't have to constantly be putting the lid on to stop the blockages. And I really love the fact that they give you this empty bottle as well. I'm thinking maybe might put my glossy accents in here, because sometimes you just want that little bit of a dot, but just not too sure if it will fit, if the consistency will be too thin. And again, you've still got that precision tip here with that pin in there as well. So yeah, I'm really impressed. In fact, that really feels a lot sturdier than the one that I bought, so that's even better. So, and when these have gone, even these ones, I will clean these up and reuse these precision tips, but I'm surmising I'm just constantly going to be using this glue gun now because it feels awesome, and hopefully over time it still feels that way. And I shall let you know if you want to pop a thing in the comments. I'll maybe put a comment to say whether it is working for me or not working for me. Now, if you know you're not going to be using this for a long time, then you do need to put this on. Just clean the excess off and then just pop that back on, and that will keep that protected and everything. This is actually by My Sweet Petunia, who also have the Misty stamp plate. So this is like my second gadget really from them, and I'd really love their stamp plate over everybody else's. So yeah, the tools are worth it, and yes, £35 is a lot of money, but this is going to save me so much in the long term for my health. So in the long term, I think it was well worth it, and time as well. So I'd love it if you'd let me know if you've got one and what your thoughts and everything are of them. But from what I've seen today, I'm very impressed. So although this is only a short video, I hope you have enjoyed it. I would love it if you give me a comment or a thumbs up, and even better to subscribe. And hopefully I shall catch you in the next video. Bye!